Good morning students. Last time we had understood till read and answer question answers of chapter 10. Now today we are starting with think and answer question answers. First, why do you think the tree looked lush and green when the second prince went to see it? So in the story there were three princes, and out of them when the second prince he went to see the tree, why do you think he saw the tree lush and green? Answer: when the second prince went to see the tree, it was rainy season. The rain had nourished the tree and hence it was lush and green. So when the second prince went to see the tree, which season was it? It was rainy season. And so the rain had nourished the tree, that's why the tree was lush and green. Question number 2. What did the charioteer say to the king? Do you think he was the wisest of the all? Answer: the charioteer told the king that all the three princes saw the same tree but at different times of the year. So the same tree appeared to be different to all three of them. Now, after all those three princes had went and visited the tree, the king had summoned all those three princes and told them to describe the tree. They all described the same tree differently. And at that time, charioteer explained to the king that all those three princes had seen the same tree but at in the different seasons of the year, and that is why they saw the tree in different forms. The charioteer seemed to be the wisest of all, as he was the one who took account of the real fact, explored the truth and presented it to the king. So the charioteer was the wisest of all the princes. It seems so because he noticed everything first. He tried to explore the complete truth and then only he gave his judgment. Third, what other title do you think could be suitable for this story? So what kind of title we can give? What other title we can give to the story? The wise charioteer. 4. All the three princes were right in their own ways, yet it was not the entire truth discussed. All the three princes had described the same tree differently. They all were correct, but that was not the complete truth. Why was it so? We have to discuss. Answer: it is true that all the three princes were right in their own way, as they all saw the same tree but in different forms. So all the three princes were speaking the truth. They were describing the same tree differently. They all were right. Why? Because all three of them were talking about the same tree, but they overlooked one important truth, that all three of them went to see the tree at different times of the year. The reason behind the different explanation, different description given by all the three princes was that they visited or they saw the tree during different seasons of the year. Reference to context. Read this sentence and answer the questions that follow. So the line given to us is, I have yet to witness such a creation. Now, question 1, that is question A. Who is the speaker? Who spoke this line? The third prince is the speaker. The third prince said that the tree was really beautiful and I have yet to witness such a creation. What is the speaker looking at? So the answer is, the speaker is looking at the red bud tree which everyone had heard so much about and wished to see. So here the speaker, that is the third prince, is looking at the red bud tree and he was praising it. C. Describe the creation. So how was the creation? The creation was a beautiful tree that stood lush and green with red buds. The creation was tree. How was the tree? Beautiful. The tree was lush green and it also had red buds. What happens next in the story? Answer: once all the princes had seen the tree, the king summons them to describe the red buds tree. So once all the princes had gone and seen the tree, after that the king called them up, and the king told that you all describe to me how was the tree. All the three princes described the tree differently. Each argued that they must have seen different trees. So when these three princes, they described the tree, they all had different descriptions, and that's why they thought they had seen different trees and not the same tree. But it is the charioteer who explains the king that they all saw the same tree but at different times of the year. Then the charioteer makes it clear that no, all the three princes, they had seen the same tree, but they had gone to see the tree during different seasons, and that is why they are describing it differently. Hod's question. Sometimes we pass judgments without knowing the whole truth. We tend to judge people by their appearance or clothes. So how a person looks or what kind of clothes a person is wearing, from that we make judgments, and we think that, oh, if someone is wearing some nice clothes, that person also will be nice. Or if somebody is wearing dirty clothes, that person also might be a bad person. Do you think it is better to first know about a person, thing, place, and then give your opinion? So do you think that we should first of all know the complete truth and then only we should pass the judgment? Do you think so? Why or why not? Give reason for your answer. Answer. Yes, it is always wise to know the complete truth before passing judgments about people, place or thing or situation. So before we pass any judgment, before we make our decisions, our mind, we should always first know the complete truth. If we do not do so, we tend to pass wrong judgments and distort the truth. If we will not know the complete truth first and we make our decisions, then what will happen? We will make wrong judgments and will distort the truth. And that is why what should we do? We should first know the complete truth and then only we should pass the judgments. So I hope the question answers which I explained today you have understood. Thank you.